Imagine waking up to see your email marketing performing like it once did, driving real results. That's exactly what happened for Doctors RX Weight Loss. Here's how high open rate helped them turn things around and boost their revenue by 25%. Doctors RX Weight Loss had a solid track record with email marketing for 7 years. Open rates were great and customers were engaged. But suddenly, things started to slip. Open rates for engaged contacts dropped to just 3%. And for unengaged ones, a dismal 1%. They needed a fix, and fast. After digging deeper, we found the root of the issue. Email lists filled with inactive or invalid addresses, and broken website links that were tarnishing their domain's reputation. These things were quietly killing their engagement, and their business was feeling the impact. That's when Doctors RX turned to high open rate. We started with a full audit of their domain health and found that their domain reputation was poor. We immediately got to work, cleaning up the email list, fixing broken links, and using our domain warm-up process to rebuild trust with email servers. We also implemented strategies like isolating unengaged contacts and regular list hygiene to maintain the improvements. And the results? Well, they spoke for themselves. Within just 1 week, open rates skyrocketed, from 3% to 32% for engaged contacts and 1% to 14% for unengaged ones. The best part? Email-driven revenue grew by a solid 25%, all thanks to a little expert intervention and a lot of smart strategies. The results were so impressive that Doctors RX decided to extend the partnership, asking High Open Rate to manage the domain health for 4 of their other brands. What started as a quick fix turned into a long-lasting, trusted relationship. If you're struggling with email deliverability, don't let it hold you back. High Open Rate can help you fix the underlying issues and see real improvements.